Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to install Service Pack 1 on Windows 7. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to install Service Pack 1 on Windows 7, just follow these steps by clicking on the Start button, then right-clicking on Computer, and then clicking on Properties. On this copy of Windows 7, I don't have Service Pack 1 installed yet, so I'm going to go ahead and do that and show you how to do it. To download and install Service Pack 1 for Windows 7, you need to visit this webpage, and I'll have this webpage linked along with any other web pages and resources that I use in my written guide on my website, which will be one of the links in this video's description. So you can go ahead and get all of the resources that I use in this video in my written guide. But once you're on this webpage, before you choose one of these options, go back to the system page, and here where it says system type, you need to check if you have 64-bit or 32-bit version of Windows installed. And then when you come back to the Service Pack 1 webpage, if you have a 64-bit version of Windows 7 installed like I do, you'll need to select this option which says x64. And if you have a 32-bit version of Windows installed, you'll need to choose the normal Windows 7 Service Pack 1 option. We won't be using the third option as that's for Windows Server and not Windows 7. So I'm going to go ahead and download the Windows 7 Service Pack 1 for 64-bit systems. And to do that, just click on this download button. And when this next window opens up, you can just choose the exe file and then click on that. And that'll start downloading the Windows 7 Service Pack 1 exe installer file. And we'll just need to wait for this to complete, and then we can run it and install Service Pack 1. Once the download is finished, don't just click on it to run it. Open the file in your downloads folder, and then once you have the file in your downloads folder, right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator. And then next you'll see this screen that says Install Windows 7 Service Pack 1, and you can click on Next. And then make sure to save all your work and close any programs, as your computer will restart automatically. And you need to make sure that this checkbox is ticked, and then you can go ahead and click on Install. And then the Windows 7 Service Pack 1 installation will start, and we'll need to wait for this to finish before you can continue with the guide. Once your computer has finished restarting, you'll see that Windows 7 Service Pack 1 is now installed, and you can go ahead and click on Close to close this window. I hope this guide's been useful. Please like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.